Do you know how to remove the background from a video in Premiere Pro? For example, we just removed a specific color in this video. And it can be also very useful to hide specific information. Let's start and let's see the trick. At the beginning, guys, you just need to go to Effects and write Color K. The next step is select it and drag the color K to our video. The color K function helps us to remove the specific color of our background. Following in the effect controls, scroll down and select the pen. Evidence the area where you want to remove the background. After that, you have to play a little bit with the functions like color tolerance, edge thin and edge feather to find the proportion to remove the background. Everything is ready, let's make the test. It seems that everything is working pretty good. Guys, help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.